This is my Hello stainless steel multi-cooking pot. I like to just call it a hot pot. And today I am going to be making some steamed scallops. I've never used this pot to steam anything before, so I'm curious to see how well it does. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. I have a little bit of water inside of the pot, and I have this rack. This is the steaming rack that came with this pot. And I'm wondering if I need to fill the pot up to the minimum line as far as water goes. Like, I don't want the water to be above the steaming rack. So now we're at the minimum line and it's just under the steaming rack. Yesterday I was in a local market and I bought some fresh sea scallops. So I'm gonna cook up 4 of these. And I just have them in a stainless steel bowl. This stainless steel bowl came with my Itaki Pro electric lunchbox, and this was the steamer bowl for that. So it fits really nicely in here, so that's why I'm going to use it. And let's plug this in. And I'm gonna put it all the way up to water, because if I put it all the way up to water, it's just gonna boil all the water, which should steam the scallops. And I'm also putting the lid on, and we'll see how this does. Look at what's going on with these scallops. I've never seen anything like this before. Look at this. They are like foaming. They are bubbling. This looks like soap. Now, I did rinse these scallops before putting them in here, but why are they bubbling like this? And what's going to happen if I open this? If I open this lid, will it go away? Then it just settled down. That's weird. So supposedly, if scallops have been soaked in a sodium phosphate solution, then they will actually bubble and foam like this. I've never seen this before. This is pretty off-putting. I don't think I would ever buy scallops from where I purchased them again. Look at that. It's crazy. It's been a total of 7 minutes now. So I'm gonna open this. That foam is so nasty. And I think the scallops are done. The internal temperature is actually 150. It's going up. 154. These are done. So I'm just gonna turn off the steamer and then let these cool down a little bit. Look at all the liquid that came out of those scallops. So I'm going to taste it and see how it tastes. Hopefully it's not going to taste soapy. So here's the scallop. It definitely looks cooked. I just want to try a little piece of it. It tastes okay. Tastes like a scallop. It tastes buttery and salty. I'm not tasting soap at all, but I still feel like I want to rinse this before I eat it. I just rinsed off this piece. I know it's probably stupid because if it's soaked in that solution, I'm sure that solution is all the way throughout the scallop, but I don't know. Maybe it'll be better. That piece tasted fishier, but I know these are cooked. The piece also had like a little grit in it. I like them better rinsed off. And that might only be a psychological reaction after seeing all the bubbling. It's good, but I still don't think I would buy them from that market again. In the past, I usually buy frozen scallops, and usually the Costco near me has a 2-pound bag of frozen scallops. It's like $36 for a 2-pound bag, but you get quite a lot, and I keep it in the freezer, and then I just take them out and cook them as needed. And with those, I don't remember having this issue with like foaming and stuff. So I'm probably going to stick to those. But since I was in this market, I was like, yeah, you just give me a half a pound of those scallops. So that is how you can steam scallops in this Hello Hot Pot. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.